everyone, Kian is back with another vlog. And guys, today my school get holiday because of the weather, and finally from my in Dubai came raining. I'm very happy, and yeah, so I will see you there. Bye. Right guys, right now I came here to buy some charger for my phone because my charger of my phone has some problem, so I came here to buy. And yeah guys, right now I bought the charger. It's in this bag, and right now I'm going back home, and I will see you guys there. Bye. Okay guys, see what did I find and what I buy. See, I bought Oreo cornflakes, and guys, see, I'm eating it right now. It's so delicious, man. It's better than all of them. Guys, I found an hour back home, and right now I'm going to play some games from my phone, and I will see you guys there. Bye. Guys, yesterday you remember that I cannot bring my cat inside last night, but I brought her inside today. She's in her box, no problem. If you want, I can play with her from the box. So yeah, here's she. Okay guys, this is my cat Silver, and she's 2 years old. She born in 2007, and she's 2 years old. And I bought her, I think it was on, yeah, in 2018. I bought her in 2019, 18, sorry. And she's 2 years old, and right now I'm going to play with her. See, how do I play with her? I play with her with she like to play with some box. Look at her. See, she like to play with tissues. She thinks she can take the tissue from me, but she cannot. Look, she's just looking at it, but she cannot take the tissue. That's interesting. Look, she tried to bring her hand out to come and catch it, but she can't. And her nails is now too much long, but one day I will take her to the doctor to cut her nails and take shower for her. So I will record it for you guys. Maybe tomorrow I will go. Oh shit, she almost cut it. Wait. Oh shit, she got it. Alright guys. Silver, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Alright guys, you saw my cat, Silver. It's for the first time you seeing her. And if you like her, comment down below that how did you like my cat. She's actually Persian cat. And comment down below if you like her, and click the like button, and please subscribe. Guys, I have a challenge for you guys. If you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for 3 minutes, okay? 1, 2, 3. Did you done it? Yes guys, did you done the subscribe play button? Yeah, maybe you have done it. So yeah, okay guys, Okay guys, here I'll finish my vlog. I hope you guys like it. Please share this video and click the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I'll see you guys soon. Kian out.